Imagine you're out hiking in the desert, the sun beating down on your shoulders when suddenly you see it slithering across your path, a small-headed rattlesnake, its namesake, tiger-like banding, piercing yellow eyes fixed on you. Before you can react, it strikes. Welcome back to my channel. This time we're talking about the dreaded tiger rattlesnake, one of the most venomous creatures lurking in the Sonoran Desert. And I'm not gonna lie, today's topic might leave you shaken. We'll explore its world, its behavior, and its bite, all in an effort to unravel the mystery surrounding this elusive serpent. Trust me, by the end of this journey, you'll see why the fear surrounding the tiger rattlesnake is both justified and perhaps a bit misguided. Now, before we dive into the specifics of this enigmatic snake, allow me to share a broader truth about the world we inhabit. Danger and beauty often intertwine in nature, and the tiger rattlesnake embodies this duality perfectly. Its venom, while feared for its potency, plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. Similarly, the thrill of encountering a rattlesnake in the wild should be tempered with respect for its power and the need for caution. It's this delicate dance between fascination and fear that we aim to explore today. The first segment of our journey is all about getting to know the small-headed rattlesnake up close and personal. We'll delve into its natural history, uncovering the secrets of its physical characteristics, unique traits, and the fascinating ways it interacts with its environment. For instance, did you know that the small-headed rattlesnake is known by different names depending on where you find it? Understanding its taxonomy helps us appreciate the unique evolutionary journey that has shaped this remarkable creature. But that's just the beginning. As we continue our exploration, we'll reveal the intricate details that make the small-headed rattlesnake truly one of a kind. From its distinctive head shape to its signature rattling behavior, no stone will be left unturned. So if you've always been curious about the small-headed rattlesnake, this is your chance to learn everything there is to know. Let us embark on this enlightening adventure together and discover what makes the small-headed rattlesnake such a captivating subject. When it comes to pinpointing the exact location of the tiger rattlesnake, you won't find them everywhere. They have very specific preferences. As we mentioned earlier, their range primarily covers the western United States, specifically the southwestern states of Arizona, New Mexico, and southeastern California. Within these states, the tiger rattlesnake is primarily associated with the Sonoran Desert and the Mojave Desert. However, it's important to note that tiger rattlesnakes tend to favor areas with rocky terrain and sparse vegetation, as these habitats provide the ideal conditions for their survival. To help you visualize their preferred territory even further, let's bring in a map that illustrates their geographic distribution. By looking at the map, you'll get a clear idea of the specific regions within the Sonoran and Mojave Deserts where tiger rattlesnakes thrive. As its name suggests, the tiger rattlesnake possesses a distinctive head that is relatively small in comparison to its body. This unique feature is particularly striking when observed against the backdrop of other rattlesnake species. Coloration plays a significant role in their appearance, with the tiger rattlesnake showcasing various shades and patterns. The most common color morph is a sandy brown with darker brown or black crossbands that resemble the stripes of a tiger, hence the name tiger rattlesnake. However, there are also rare color morphs, such as albino individuals, that offer a captivating sight to behold. The scales on their bodies typically exhibit a smooth texture with a slightly glossy sheen, contributing to their overall allure. Now let us delve into the behavior of the tiger rattlesnake and shed some light on its nocturnal or crepuscular habits. These snakes are most active during the cooler hours of the day, such as dawn and dusk, seeking refuge during the hottest periods. They play an essential role in the ecosystem as they primarily feed on rodents, lizards, and other small mammals, helping to keep pest populations under control. When hunting, they rely on their keen sense of smell and specialized heat-sensing pits located between their eyes and nostrils to detect warm-blooded prey. Approaching their unsuspecting victims, they strike with lightning-fast precision, injecting their venom through their hollow fangs. If threatened or harassed, the tiger rattlesnake will rattle its tail as a warning, hoping to deter potential predators. As the snake shakes its tail, these segments collide, producing a distinctive rattling sound that serves as a potent warning to stay away. Next, we'll focus on the small head and explore the reasons behind its unique shape. In contrast to other rattlesnake species, the small head plays a crucial role in facilitating the delivery of their venom. Despite its petite stature, the tiger rattlesnake boasts formidable fangs that can deliver a lethal dose of venom. Additionally, it enhances the snake's ability to strike with precision, ensuring that the venom is injected effectively. This combination of factors contributes to the potency of their bite and highlights the importance of caution when encountering these creatures. You're probably wondering about the bite of the tiger rattlesnake. Is it something to be taken lightly? Absolutely not. When bitten, the venom is injected into the victim's bloodstream through the hollow fangs. Neurotoxins affect the nervous system, potentially causing paralysis, while hemotoxins target the blood and tissues, leading to severe bleeding and necrosis. The speed of the bite is lightning fast, allowing the venom to enter the bloodstream quickly. The small head of the snake may give a false sense of security, but it's precisely this deceptiveness that makes encounters with tiger rattlesnakes particularly perilous. Despite their smaller size, their fangs can still inject a substantial amount of venom, posing a significant threat to humans and other animals alike. But don't worry, we've got you covered, because next we talk about the medical risks associated with being bitten by a tiger rattlesnake. It's important to understand the potential consequences and seek medical attention promptly if bitten. A bite from a tiger rattlesnake can have severe medical implications due to the potency of their venom. In Arizona, where tiger rattlesnakes are prevalent, approximately 700 snake bites occur annually, with rattlesnakes being responsible for about 80% of these incidents. Fortunately, advancements in anti-venom treatments have significantly reduced the number of fatalities. According to data from the Arizona Poison and Drug Information Center, only 3 deaths due to venomous snake bites have been reported in Arizona since 1987, with the majority of bites resulting in no permanent disability. However, a small percentage of rattlesnake bites in Arizona do result in permanent disability. These cases typically involve bites that cause severe tissue damage, nerve injury, or other complications that require ongoing medical management. It's important to remember that every bite is unique, and the severity of the reaction can vary depending on factors such as the amount of venom injected, the victim's health, and the timeliness of medical treatment. The next step in our journey is to explore the pivotal role that the tiger rattlesnake plays within its ecosystem. Through its interactions with other species, we'll uncover the intricate balance of nature that it helps maintain. As a predator, the tiger rattlesnake occupies a crucial position in the food chain, preying on smaller animals and helping to regulate their populations. Its presence, although sometimes feared, is essential for maintaining the health and stability of the ecosystem. In terms of its diet, the tiger rattlesnake primarily feeds on small rodents like kangaroo rats and mice, as well as lizards that inhabit the desert. These snakes are opportunistic hunters, meaning they will consume prey that is readily available in their habitat. On the other hand, the tiger rattlesnake itself serves as a vital food source for various predators, including birds of prey such as the great horned owl and the ferruginous hawk. Mammals like the desert mountain lion and the coyote also include the tiger rattlesnake in their diet. This intricate web of predator-prey relationships showcases the interconnectedness of species within the ecosystem and highlights the significance of the tiger rattlesnake as a key component of the food chain. In conclusion, the tiger rattlesnake, while often feared for its venomous bite and elusive nature, is an integral part of the Sonoran Desert's ecosystem. Understanding its role as both a predator and prey species allows us to appreciate the delicate balance of nature that it helps maintain. As we continue to explore the world around us, it's crucial to recognize the importance of each species, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant it may appear. So now we're going to tackle a question that many people ask: why do tiger rattlesnakes attack humans? To answer this question, we draw upon expert interviews and studies to debunk common misconceptions and provide insight into the actual behavior of these snakes. You might be surprised by what you learn. These snakes possess a strong instinct for self-preservation, and when given the opportunity, they will retreat rather than engage in a potentially dangerous encounter. However, it's important to note that rattlesnakes can become defensive if they feel trapped or cornered. If a hiker accidentally steps on one or reaches for it without proper knowledge or precautions, the snake may perceive this as a threat and strike as a means of defense. Despite their reputation for aggression, rattlesnakes play a vital role in the ecosystem by controlling rodent populations and providing food for larger predators. They are not inherently malicious creatures, but rather have evolved to survive in their environment. By understanding their behavior and respecting their space, we can coexist with these fascinating creatures and appreciate their role in the natural world. Now that we've explored the myths surrounding tiger rattlesnakes, let's shift our attention to the surprising facts you probably didn't know about these fascinating creatures. Get ready to be amazed by the lesser-known aspects of the tiger rattlesnake that will leave you with a newfound appreciation for these elusive reptiles. One surprising fact about tiger rattlesnakes is their unusual color morphs. These albino tiger rattlesnakes are breathtaking to behold with their white or cream-colored bodies and pink eyes. Another surprising aspect of the tiger rattlesnake is their size. In 1993, a massive tiger rattlesnake measuring over 8 feet in length was captured near Yuma, Arizona, making it one of the longest snakes ever recorded in the state. Lastly, the tiger rattlesnake exhibits unique behaviors that set it apart from other rattlesnake species. For example, they have been observed climbing trees to forage for prey, which is unusual for most rattlesnakes. Their arboreal skills allow them to access new hunting grounds and resources, showcasing their adaptability and resilience. Furthermore, tiger rattlesnakes have a distinctive rattling pattern that varies depending on the situation. However, when attacking prey, they have been documented emitting a high-pitched rattle that may serve as a means of capturing prey by inducing auditory hallucinations. These surprising facts highlight the complexity and wonder of the tiger rattlesnake, reminding us of the marvels that exist in the natural world. Further research and exploration are essential to unraveling the mysteries surrounding these elusive creatures and ensuring their protection for future generations. After this deep dive into the world of the small-headed rattlesnake, we hope you have gained a newfound respect and appreciation for these fascinating creatures. Remember, these snakes are not mindless killing machines, but integral parts of the ecosystem that play a crucial role in keeping it in balance. By understanding their behavior and appreciating their contributions to the environment, we can coexist with them peacefully. If you enjoyed learning about the small-headed rattlesnake, we invite you to watch more videos about the amazing world of reptiles and the diverse ecosystems they inhabit. Thanks for joining us on this journey of discovery, and until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.